people them and tell the people them what to expect from Snatcha Lion moving forward.
Yes, Arville, respect. Well, I want to give thanks to all who turn out tonight, sing, because this album has been coming from a far way, ups and down, and we still stand up and do it. I'm want to big up Fantana anywhere in there, Richie Spice anywhere in there, players anywhere in there, all of my support, all who help me to put through this album, all of the producers them, the engineer them. Seeing the man them will find a 1 and 2 line and say put this and put that. Enough love and respect. 120 million times percent. Seeing so you don't know anything go Arville. Me there have to perform, so I don't know anything we want to say because I'm ready to sing. This little song has been going on good all over. Seeing I want to just take time out and listen it. It's on the album. It's titled This Rasta Man. Run the rhythm and make it brown and don't stop it. Boy, this girl love this Rasta. Snatcha. Fuck what she love about this Rasta man. Fuck what, who's out? Oh, the, hey, don't make me cuss my door in here, you know. Fuck what she love about this Rasta man. Fuck what she love about this Rasta man. Cut the banana, she love about the plant, yeah. She love the organic substance we produce. No fizzy drinks can compare to the roots. She want me to ride na the Gideon boot. For me a Rasta man, I go straight from the root. Hey, fuck what she love about this Rasta man. Fuck what she love about this Rasta man. Hey, fuck what she love about this Rasta man. Boom, fuck what she love about this Rasta man. Selector.
This is Music Phil. Yardstyle presents Snatcha Lion, Great Light album launch. And we are here with Arville Expression. Arville, can you tell a little about the proceedings for the night?
Well, what I know is that he's doing the launch of an album. He's doing the launch of an album that him say has been in the work for a couple of years.
15 years.
And him call Exterminator label and a couple others that shows that it has been in the works for a while. So the truth is, as the host, I'm just looking forward to an exciting evening, listening to some music that has already gone through the rigors of time. So I'm expecting to hear good music.
Because children in the dark is a sin the great light. Children in the dark is a sin the great light. Long time Rasta tell them say them live it in a right. Long time we know say that them giving us a fight. What was hidden from the wise and prudent revealed to the baby something more. Oh la la la. If some get a chance, then we use ya. When they make it to the top, say them the news, yo. Now make them kill my confidence. Tell you say them love you when I be 5%. Crabby in a barren mentality, no go nowhere. Them man a hustle for fruits, man install. You take your bad money and go put in my hand. Do myself from money, and I'm can't see a grand boy. It's children in the dark.
Yeah, this is Music Phil, and I'm here with the marketing manager of Incognito. And this is where Snatcha Lion, Great Light, the well-anticipated album is to be launched. I'm here with Annalisa. Annalisa, can you give me some insight into tonight's proceeding?
All right, so tonight we are launching Snatcha Lion Great Light album. This album is, I can say, one of the best albums yet to come. And I mean, I just love Great Light. It's close to my heart.
Yeah. Can you work closely with the project too?
That's right. So just stay tuned. Listen out, big and better things. Stay tuned. Look out, big and better things coming. Stay tuned for Snatcha Lion.
Selassie, players there, and big up on yourself. Yeah. Sweet, sweet, sweet reggae music. Cannot refuse it. Yeah. This reggae music, and a 1, 2, 3, and a no do re mi. It's the heartbeat of my people. This rebel music, I know me fight you, and I know you fight me. It elevate the youth them from out of the ghetto. Yeah. Music was made for healing, not to instigate the killing. We tired of the drive-by shooting, too much contract killing. A man dead over east, the whole community ball. And if a man dead over south, the whole community ball. It's reggae music, and a 1, 2, 3, and a do re mi. It's the heartbeat of my people. This rebel music, I know you fight me, and I know me fight you. It elevate the youth them from out of the ghetto. Hey, sometimes I think about it, pick up the mic and judge some lyrics and make some money. And I'm not about the black history, and them not about the black unity, and them not about the black pitney. You fit take a gun and kill a little baby. Me touch for you, them think they're not the news daily. Reggae music, seize out. Selassie. Hey. Roll it up, lift it up there. This little song, lift it up there. Don't you touch a dial.
This is Music Fail, and this is Yardstyle I presents Snatcha Lion album launch. Great light. 15 years in the making, 15 wonderful tracks, great tracks are going to traverse the world. So Snatcha Lion, how you feel about the album?
Well, I feel great, as the album title, Great Light. Because the album I come from a far way, over 15 years, and it take time and it just manifests. So everything at time. You see me? I say, so I just want to give Jah all of the glory for the moment, and for now.
Well, as I say, we have whole heap of tracks for you we like, because we hear about I Cry, we hear about Rastaman song there. Wait name again, come here as I get it, what the song name? Give a piece of the song a little bit,
Something what she love about this Rastaman, boom. Something what she love about this Rastaman. Something what she love about this Rastaman. Party banana, she love how me plant the yam. Something what she love about this Rastaman. Something what she love about this Rastaman. Something what she love about this Rastaman. Party banana, say me plant the yam. Ay 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 ay. Something she love with this last time. Something she love with this last time.
You see that song there? That's one of the touring song there, you see me? Although the whole album is a tour. So as we say, we're looking forward to great works. And like when you have an album out now, you have a body of work that you can travel with. And just when you go out in the world, you just represent reggae music, and I represent Snatcha Lion. You see me? So Snatcha Lion, when you big up your fans, you understand me? Big up your fans and producers to the world. Right now, with your album launch.
Yeah, man. All of the people who were helped to put this album together, entitled Great Light. Enough respect and manners. Fantana, respect up there. Saying Craig, big up yourself. Players, Richie Spice, seeing everybody who helped to put this album together. Enough respect. And I will keep on doing the work of His Majesty from now until Jah says so. Rasta.
Pull it. You see that song, I feel all of the people in the ghetto scene where I struggle to make it. Because I live in the ghetto and I see it, and people have to buy one slice of bread and it's hard and tough, saying so. Right now, that song I feel ghetto people. Run with him. Yeah. I cry loud for the poor and suffering people. I cry loud, some of them can't find a meal. I cry loud for the youth them way in the ghetto. I cry loud when you use them now no money. Yeah. Everywhere me go, me hear nothing now go on. Gas price gone up, food price gone up. Work, Selassie. Yeah. Yeah. Snatcha Lion representing. I cry loud for the poor and suffering people. I cry loud, some of them can't find a meal. I cry loud for the youth them way in the ghetto. I cry loud.
Anyway, Snatcha Lion, great light, great work. But that's why you big up Yardstyle Live Presents, you know, because you don't know it go already. You see me?
Yardstyle, big up yourself. Seeing? Snatcha Lion said that. I will fight for my cause. We no fear them Eden. Yardstyle, Snatcha said that. Boom.
Yeah, man, Snatcha Lion, Yardstyle Live Presents. Ready? Snatcha Lion, great light, album launch.
Yardstyle Life, you don't know. Album launch. Give thanks for the energy and the strength. See? Selassie I love. For life, see? Rasta.